My name is Melogen Albora from SC11 Lucena Cluster, BSc Ed English, second year. This is the vision of DepEd curriculum. Vision. We dream of a Filipino who passionately love their countries and whose values and competencies enable them to realize their full potential and contribute meaningfully to building the nation. As a learner-centered public institution, the Department of Education constantly improves itself to better serve its stakeholders. Mission: to protect and promote the rights of Filipino quality, equitable, culture-based, and complete basic education where students learn in a child-friendly, gender-sensitive, safe, and motivating environment. Teachers facilitate learning and constantly nurture every learner. Administrators and the staff as stewards of the institution ensure an enabling and supportive environment for effective learning to happen. Family and community and other stakeholders are actively engaged and share responsibilities for developing long life learners. That is the mission. And the core values are makatao, makadiyos, makakalikasan at makabansa. Maraming salamat po.